Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number E1870P. 29,000 miles, and this Grand Caravan comes to us with a clean auto check history report, granite pearl in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior. Stone-go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights, as well as climate control. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. There are sunshades for all rear windows. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline, slide forward and back. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. With driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. And also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control, along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead. Liftgate and sliding door controls. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. And conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimate, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Caravan, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.